nėra pieno. There is no milk on a table. Ant stalo nėra pieno. Pienas, milk. Pienas, milk. Cheese. Cheese, sūris. Sūris. In Lithuania, a lot of people, they love cottage cheese. Baltas sūris. White cheese. Baltas sūris. Čia yra olandiškas sūris. Fermentinis sūris. Fermentinis sūris, fermented cheese, we used to call it, in Lithuania we used to call it olandiškas sūris. Like, it's a cheese from Holland. And in Lithuania, it's a very popular thing. It's small, sweet cheeses in a chocolate. Sūrelis. Sūrelis, it's like a small cheese, and they are in a chocolate. They are very nice. Very nice and sweet. If you come to Lithuania, you have to try them. Sūrelis. Sūrelis. It's like a small cheese. Sūrelis. And from the milk, we can have sour cream. What do we have here on the table? Sour cream. And it's very popular in Lithuania. And it's in Lithuanian it's grietinė. 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 Okay, what else do we have? Fish. Fish, žuvis. Fish, žuvis. I have only one type of fish, and this fish, it's herrings, salted herrings, very popular in Lithuania. Salted herrings, it's silke, silke, silke. I still have two fruits. Vaisius. Vaisius is a fruit. Apelsinas. Apelsinas. It's an orange. Vienas apelsinas, du apelsinai. Apelsinas. It's an orange.
It's an apple sin.
Apple sin? Wow. Citrina. Citrina. It's a lemon. Citrina. Citrina. Oh, I have another fruit. Not very nice, but anyway. Bananas. Bananas. Vienas bananas, du bananai. Du bananai. And I have an egg. An egg. Kiaušinis. 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 Vienas kiaušinis, du kiaušiniai. Vienas kiaušinis, du kiaušiniai. This egg is not a real one. It's an Easter egg. And it's not chocolate one. We have real Easter eggs. We use real ones. We just paint them. We decorate them. And this one is a wooden one, I think. We have salt. Salt. Druska. Salt. Druska. Druska. If you want some salt, you can ask, may I have some salt? Gal galėčiau druskos? Gal galėčiau druskos? May I have some salt? Cukrus. It's a sugar. Šokoladas. Juodas šokoladas. It's a juodas, it's a dark. Juodas, it's a black. So for the dark chocolate, we say black chocolate. Juodas šokoladas. Juodas šokoladas. I have some raisins. Razinos. Razinos. Raisins, razinos. Sunflower seeds. Saulėgrąžos. 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 Nuts. Riešutai. Riešutai. Žemės riešutai. The nuts of the ground. Žemės riešutai. Peas. Peas. Žirneliai. Žirneliai. Žirnelis, it's a small pea. Žirneliai, small peas. So it's a type of peas. When you tin them, you call them not the big peas, not peas, but small peas. Žirnis, it's a big one. Žirnelis, it's a small one. And aliejus. Aliejus, it's an oil. Aliejus. Do we have butter? No, we don't have butter. Nėra sviesto. Nėra sviesto. There is no butter. Sviestas. Sviestas. It's a butter. Kukurūzai. 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 It's a sweet corn. Corn. Kukurūzai. Kukurūzai. Arbata. Arbata. Black tea. Juoda arbata. Juoda arbata. And if you are in Lithuania, if you want tea with milk, you better ask for milk. And don't be offended if Lithuanians are not going to offer milk, because in Lithuania usually people don't have tea with milk. So if you have tea and no milk, you can simply ask, gal galėčiau pieno? Gal galėčiau pieno? Gal galėčiau truputį pieno? May I have some milk? Kava. Kava, coffee. Kava. Upelių kava, ground coffee. Tirpi kava, instant coffee. Kava. Kava. Ir paskutinis vanduo. Vanduo. Vanduo, water. Norėčiau vandens. I would like some water. Norėčiau vandens. That's it for today. See you another time. Bye.